All right, well, welcome aboard again, everybody. I appreciate you joining me on this flight. Today we're going to go out to Montgomery County, do a landing, and then come back here. It's going to be probably, we're looking at about 20 miles each leg. So, not too long of a flight. I'll get as much as I can. I'm going to try something new today. I am going to try, I put the 360 camera up here. Gosh. And what I'm going to try to do is record 360 so you can get almost like a first-person view in here. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully camera works well. I did a flight last week, and all my data was corrupted, so I lost the whole flight. So we'll just try this again. All right, so I've already done my walk around and all that. We're ready to taxi out to runway 21 here. We got two in line up there, so let's go ahead and make our call. Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot. It's going to be taxiing Alpha, runway 21. Asheboro traffic. All right, clear, clear, and clear.
And Asheboro traffic, arrow 69er is departing 21. We'll be making that downwind departure towards Burlington. Thank you.
All right, run up, brakes are set, my feet are on, fuel selector is on, trim is set for takeoff. Flight controls, that one goes up, that one goes down, that one goes up, that one goes down, elevator goes up, elevator goes down, rudder goes right, and rudder goes left. Flight controls are free and correct. Instruments, we got good pressure, temperatures on the rise. I'm showing a positive, slightly positive amp here at idle, and we got our altimeter set. We'll check our compass out on the runway. Primer is in, locked, and functional now. It has been repaired. And we'll take it up to 17. Full in. Take it up to 17, feet on the brakes. There is 17 set. We'll check our mags. We got about a 75 drop. Back to both. Net returns.
Got the county.
Second one. Same amount of drop.
3 miles.
Back to both. We got good suction, good amperage. And everything else seems to be good. Let's do our carb heat check. There's our drop, and we'll do our idle check. Now sound like she wants to die. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. Carb heat off. RPM starts to rise back up, and we'll put her back at 1,000 RPM. All right, run up. All right, that is good. Now pre-takeoff, we got flaps are in the up position. Mixture set best power. Carb heat is off. Pitot heat not needed. Compass will check on the radio. Squawking 1200. Doors and windows. My window's latched. That window's latched. That door is latched. That door is latched. Lights, landing lights. Strobes. We don't have any. Nav beacon is on. And brake release. We'll go on up. Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot. Going to be taking off runway 21 for a east departure. Asheboro traffic. All right, I don't see anybody on approach. Didn't hear anybody coming. If we're not off the runway by the taxiway after the 1,000-foot markers, we'll abort takeoff. Any problems lower than 500 feet, we'll pick a spot. 45 either direction, and we're above 500.
Left base, runway 21.
All right, we got base full stop. We got 21, 21, 21 full. Heels to the floor. All right, we got good RPM. T's and P's are in the green. A little bit of a crosswind from the right. There's 60. Those are up. And we're in the air. Grabbing already.
Asheboro traffic, lesson 75, base mile, runway 21, full stop to Asheboro.
lower the nose and get a view. We're good. Taking it back into the climb. It is bumpy. It usually is on this end of the runway.
Montgomery County, 36 Charlie Zulu, mile north, will be across in midfield, entering left downwind for 21, Montgomery County.
Asheboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot's going to be turning left crosswind for an east departure, Asheboro traffic.
Cessna Oxford 229er 8 Whiskey is 5 miles to the southwest, departing to the southwest, final call. Henderson Oxford.
And Oxford Henderson traffic, but that's 572 Bravo Papa is departing the traffic path.
Hanson, Wadesboro, Mooney 166 or 10 to the north, inbound for landing, Hanson, Wadesboro.
Got off a little bit.
Montgomery County, Skyhawk 36 Charlie Zulu, here in left downwind, 21, Montgomery County.
Asheboro traffic, Lexington 765 is clear, runway 21, Asheboro.
Asheboro traffic, 594 Papa Foxtrot's 2 miles to the east, departing the area, 2000 for 3000. Last call, Asheboro traffic. We're going to swing a little bit to the left here, get on our track. I hope it smooths out. It's a little bit bumpy. Alright, I think I got the runway in sight. Montgomery County traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot's 4 miles north-northwest, straight in for runway 21, full stop, Montgomery County. Alright, runway's inside. Let's do our pre-landing. Lights on, seatbelts, harness mixture, carb heat, fuel on, and flaps is required. Alright. Not ready for the carb heat yet, but we will be here in just a minute. Actually, that minute's right about now, so let's start our carb heat out. Slow it down a little bit. Montgomery County traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot's on a 3 mile final, runway 21, Montgomery County.
Look to traffic, I 652 Papa, left crosswind, 23, look to. Limited traffic, I 652 Papa, left downwind, 23, look to. Standing by.
Henderson Oxford traffic, Archer 229 Foxtrot Golf is 6.5 miles to the south, going to be entering 45 degree midpoint down, left downwind for runway 24, Henderson Oxford.
airspeed is good. Montgomery County traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot, short final, runway 21, Montgomery County.
Anson traffic 73429, entering downwind 16, Anson traffic. Anson traffic 73429, turning base 16, Anson traffic.
Anson County traffic, Warrior 2237 Kilo, 6 mile final for runway 16 at Anson.
Montgomery County traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot's going to be back taxi into park in Montgomery County.
Anson traffic 739, turning final 16.
Yeah, I'm going to stop the video for here, and I'll have fuel up and all that. When I take back off, I'll pick back up and we'll fly on into Asheboro. But catch y'all here in a little while. All right, heels to the floor, winds right down the runway. All right, we got good RPM, T's and P's are in the green, airspeed is coming alive. There's 60. Montgomery County traffic, Cessna 594, Papa Foxtrot's going to be departing the area to the north. We're at 1,500 for 3,000. Montgomery County.
Thanks for holding. Traffic 725, clear 21, Asheboro.
So, again, I want to thank everybody for watching these videos.
For traffic 72, go back, departing 21, we'll be departing back to the north, Asheboro.
I really appreciate everybody that watches, everybody that's subscribed. I never fails to
turning left, crosswind, runway 21, Asheboro traffic.
Never fails to surprise me how many people watch my videos and seem to enjoy them. You know, I enjoy making the videos, but you know, as I said before, it's never my prime objective on any of my flights. It's always safety and obtaining the objective of the flight for the day.
Archer 2 Echo Foxtrot, 45 degree downwind 24, David.
But if I can stick a couple cameras in here and record what I do and make videos that you guys enjoy, why not do it, right?
7643 Golf, turn left downwind runway 21, Asheboro traffic.
So again, for all you guys that hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, I thank you. I appreciate you. All right, we are on course, bouncing around here, looking for the airport.
Automated weather observation 1930 Zulu weather wind 250 at 5 gust 14 visibility
gust 14 great.
Clear.
Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot's going to be turning left base, runway 21, Asheboro.
Cherokee 8.
I think we're going to come in with 2 notches of flaps with the winds the way they are, gusting. I don't want to get too slow and lose a gust. Stall out.
Asheboro traffic, 7643 Golf, is a departing pattern to the north towards Greensboro. Asheboro traffic. Montgomery traffic, we're 37 kilo, 3 mile final, practice approach RNAV 3, Montgomery.
Asheboro traffic, Cessna 594 Papa Foxtrot's going to be turning final for runway 21, Asheboro. Kind of a sloppy turn, but fighting these bumps. Ooh, bumpy.
Davidson County traffic, Skyhawk 1740 Charlie, 10 miles to southwest, inbound for left downwind 24, Davidson County.
Let's see how bad I can do this one. Freaking birds.
Montgomery traffic, 37 kilos going this. Montgomery.
Yeehaw, buddy. Let's get her down. Ooh, not too bad for those gusts. That was kind of rough, but ooh, man, that was gusty. Interesting. Fun. Again, thank you everybody for watching the video, watching all my videos, subscribing and hitting that like button, and hope to do another one again here soon. Probably next flight is going to finally be that long cross country. So until then, y'all have a good day. Thanks.